Indian product, not an Oracle. Indian. Okay, sir. After that,
Okay.
from the Oracle Corporation, it is P6 in 2005. P6.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but what I
Sorry.
am reading is Primavera history on Primavera is it is developed by Joel Koppelman.
Sorry, sir. It is Indian product, sir. Bangalore product. Primavera Corporation. It's maybe who is
Entire
developing, I don't know. Who is developing, I don't know. Main source of coder, I don't know. But it's
it
Indian.
is developed. It was developed by three people: Joel Koppelman, Les Seskins, and Dick Farris. They founded Primavera Systems Incorporated on 1st May 1983, and it was a Pennsylvania-based
But in the
Philadelphia.
local in the 1987 only, in the Indian based product only, sir. It's not a US product.
Here, whole of Wikipedia or whatever you read, or
They are
even
giving,
Prime.
sir, that their informations they may be changed. Now we can omit the history. We are going to let the software only, please. The initial
Okay.
history, it's maybe sometimes plus minus will be there. Please. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then after that, Primavera P6 is named back as the standard name, brand name. They are making a series. Like every year they are making some changes. Last is yesterday I told what is that? Primavera 20.1 and then
Okay.
17.7 already released. We are using
Hmm.
17.7. This is the latest we are using, but 20.1 may be released. I don't know. I have to check.
Okay.
Not available in the online.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And then what is the latest version of MSP, sir?
2019.
Yeah, you are right. And then before getting into software, can you explain concept of working?
What you asked?
Concept of working with this PPM software. What's the difference? Both MSP and Primavera.
No, the basic concepts are the same, but the way the approach is probably that must be different, is what I think.
That's only I'm asking. What's the difference?
I don't know. I will not be able to elaborate on that.
Okay, sir, I will explain. In common manner, can I explain or technical term can I explain? Which one you may want?
You can explain technical also, no problem.
Okay, sir. In Primavera, we have to set everything from the foundation of the information, like company details, base information, and everything you have to input. After that, only we have to start our project. That is stored database procedure.
So I can take a note as Primavera is a store
Stored
database
database.
procedure.
Yes, sir. Every settings or everything related to our activity should be stored in our software, and then only we have to using that database only we are developing our project simply.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is a universal database.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Next is MSP is a individual type process. It may be same procedure, but we can develop individual projects separately as we needed.
Okay.
And then in case of MSP professional, we can merge it as a subtasks. We can create
Okay.
separate projects. We can merge it together in record area in latest versions.
Okay.
So this is the difference. But in MSP, no stored database procedure.
Hmm.
Based upon that database, project database only we have to use. This called project database.
MSP is a project database.
Yes, sir. We doesn't need to create a unique database.
Okay.
That's all, sir.
So basically, you mean to say in um, Primavera, all the database that you have stored, you can reuse it for all projects that you will be
Yes,
developing there.
sir. So if so only I can generally I can give you a common example like a tree. What are the things that you can see in the tree?
You can see the trunk, you can see the bark, you can see branches, you can see leaves, you can
So
see
first,
flowers.
roots are main root. It's to be hidden.
Of course.
Root trunk, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers.
So you asked me what you can see. So root I cannot see, so I didn't answer root.
Okay, sir, no problem. Root is a hidden element. Root is also an element of a tree. Without root, how we
Absolutely.
can tree? Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So like this, what we have to do here in Primavera, we have to create a, from the foundation itself, we have to develop every stage step by step.
Hmm.
In MSP, no need. Just we can directly enter the project.
Okay.
That's the difference. And then one more thing also in technical term also I can explain. As a company procedure, we can take all the everything of activities we can consider as a separate project. Example, HR management,
Hmm.
HR administration on project, accounts management. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Separate project. Technical design management separate project, and then the execution management separate project.
Right.
So in MSP we have to create everything in a separate. We have to make it as a sub project.
Hmm. True. Hello.
Yes, sir. In Primavera, we can create that company information and that labor information, everything in a proper manner.
Okay.
Came by 6:30 only here.
Online classes can like this.
Okay, tomorrow I will come.
Then
Same time. 7 o'clock.
come here.
Huh?
Come here. Earlier.
Earlier. My office
Right.
is up to 6:30 only.
Recording is good.
Tomorrow I will come. 7 o'clock.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So in Primavera, we have to create the employers list, company branches, internal split ups list, and everything is there. Company informations, and
Hmm.
then after that we can create all of that like a tree branches in a tree. We can create all of the informations as a group of projects in the same companies.
Okay.
So here they are defined as OBS, take notes and take notes. OBS,
OBS.
organization breakdown structure.
Okay.
Next is EPS, enterprises project structure.
Okay.
Then WBS, work breakdown structure. Then calendar. Then only project we are getting into. Fifth
Hmm.
stage.
So first you have OBS, then you have EPS, then you have WBS,
Yes, sir.
then you have calendar.
So, yes, sir. In these steps, OBS, EPS, these are one-time process only.
OBS and EPS is one-time process. WBS differs from project to project.
Yes, you are right, sir. The WBS calendar settings, project sequences, we can vary. But these two are OBS means organization breakdown structure. That means employers list.
Hmm.
This employers list is constant.
Hmm.
Same as the CPS, enterprises is company structure.
Hmm.
That's also common.
Hmm.
So these are all one-time process.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So first time is 8:17, sir. 8:20. If you are allowed, I can continue. Otherwise, I'll start from tomorrow. How you feel?
I'm
Sure.
okay. If you want to continue, you can continue.
Just today I'll take starts with OPS only. I'll give the basic definition and I will request you. Already are having a lot of valuable experience. So please, I will request you to do some homework, sir, because not
Sure.
like others of us. This MSP or Primavera, particularly this Primavera needs more homework, manual work.
Yes, sir. Tell me what homework you want me to do.
See, first I will explain things and then after that you can do it, sir. Here, go to tools. Take notes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, enterprises, not tools, enterprises. Take notes, sir.
Yeah. What should I note?
OBS. Whether you got in the screen, sir? Video. That's a screen
OBS.
share.
Yes. Sir. Yeah, I can see.
Enterprises, OBS.
Hmm.
So you can see this organization breakdown structure. See, these are some predefined database already stored by the Oracle Corporation. These are all some predefined databases.
Okay.
So for you, for our company, if you want to create some database,
Hmm.
first we have to click on, first select the heading and then click on,
Add.
yes, sir. What it asks,
In order to add an OBS element, the filter will be changed to display all OBS elements.
click OK, sir. Slowly I will teach you, don't worry, because already you are missing 15 years gap yearly.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Now you can see, sir, everywhere it is expanding.
Okay. Right.
Now, rename it, sir, here. Sample. So, for yourself, what are your company name? Please enter your company name. Here, it doesn't have any company name, so I have enter as
Sample.
sample. And then modify. Here, you can give some information about this database, like
Mhm.
notepad, like this.
Okay. So what kind of information normally you put in this?
About this employers list. This organization breakdown structure is nothing but employers list.
Okay.
Nothing but employers list, employers breakdown structures. That is from that MD to security.
Hmm.
That is hierarchy, employers hierarchy. Simply employers hierarchy. I think
Okay.
you can understand. So, see, MD or CEO is the topmost, and then what security or watchman to be considered as the lower end, lower most end.
Okay.
So, from all the
Hmm.
sequences, you have to enter here. This is a single database, unique database.
Okay.
Then here,
Can you
what are
import this? Can you import this database into Primavera from Excel or something?
no, sir. We have to type it, sir.
Because
And we
normally
can
this.
import it, sir. We can import option is also there, but import option is there. Here, I'll explain. Wait, sir. I'll close it. Here, using this option, we can import.
Okay. Because normally the project manager will not have access to that database. He has to take it from the HR team
Yes, sir.
or whichever team is the stakeholder for that database. So they will
So
give it
from
to
the
him in
import,
Excel.
we can get it from MSP or Excel.
Okay.
From here, I pick the sample. Name will be there. From that, I want to create substages. And then
Right.
here, add one more. You can see, sir,
Hmm. Hmm.
new OBS. And then
Hmm.
here, you can see these arrow marks,
Right.
movement control. Now we can see,
Hmm.
sir, new OBS is the sub level.
Right.
And then I will request you, or I'll give the information that don't create any OBS in an employer's name, please. Reason
Don't
is,
create OBS in employer name.
yes, because suppose that employer is quitting the job, and so how we can edit it.
Okay.
Then how I can explain is CEO or MD
Okay. Designations basis.
designation basis. And then if you want, you can the modify, you can add his information in the description.
Okay.
That the description that MD's name, experience, or history. Anything you can add.
Okay.
Simple, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And one more explanation I can give. This both the softwares are not to be as a, we can't use as a regular software. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So in multi-core, big shot companies only using these softwares.
Right.
So you have to take that company structures.
Hmm.
So if you take L&T or HL or Hindustan Lever Limited or any other big shot companies, construction companies, was different levels of people will be there.
Right.
So how we can define is first MD, yes sir,
Okay.
and then we can make one more sub level
Hmm.
BOD. I think you can understand the term.
Board of director.
Yes, sir. 5 or 10 members can be sir. 5 or 10 members can be considered as the board of
Hmm.
directors. They are the committees to decide the things. They are the main persons to decide the things,
Hmm.
company operation. MD may be the authorized person, but this person the deciding person.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then add this one, add, and make it as one sub level. Um, CEO. Now CEO will come under them. Yes, sir. Chief Executive Officer.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And then under him, Vice President, Head Office, VPH, HO.
Okay.
Vice President, Head Office, or General Manager, you can take as General GM,
Okay.
Head Office, General Manager. Both the term you can use. Which term we will use, sir?
Anything is fine.
So, General Manager, we can use it as General Manager. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Under him, VP, Vice President. We can take it as Vice President or DGM, Deputy General Manager. Term.
Okay.
So, as per your requirement, you can create this employers list.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Here,
Done.
HO. Because why I have had this extra term is, suppose we are having sub-level companies like on some other production also, there also some vice presidents will be there.
Right.
So you have to use the terms also. HO means head office like this.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then HR admin, head office. Yes,
Okay.
sir. HR admin.
Right. Hmm.
HR admin. HR manager or HR manager.
Okay.
HO. HO means overall
Office.
head
Hmm.
office. Like this, you have to create the sequences, sir.
Okay.
So what are all the employers list? You have to
Hmm.
come across for this organization.
Hmm.
Just create it, please. Full sequence.
Okay. Hmm.
Because for design manager has to take response. For marketing manager. For accounts,
Right.
accounting manager. So if you are
Right.
missing one employers also in the EPS, it will hit us.
Right.
So first exercise I have given to you is in homework or rough
Hmm.
work, how to
Hmm.
prepare employers list. Like this, you can add the sequences. And one more thing also here, suppose this resources I doesn't need means delete or merge. We can delete, so resources will be removed. That's organization that a person will be removed from the list.
Hmm.
And then cut, and then we can paste in some other area.
Okay.
So copy means already you know.
Hmm.
Like this you can do, sir. This is the first exercise for you. This is called as OBS.
Okay.
Already I have installed the software for you.
Hmm.
Whether you open the software, sir, check it.
Yeah, I've opened it.
So I will close it and then go to tools. Sorry, enterprises, OBS.
Right.
And then before that, if you are having in your mindset means no problem, or if you have some stuck or some other problem means in the rough paper you have to prepare the list and then please enter it in the software, sir.
Okay.
So I have told that it's called as homework.
Okay. So,
After finishing everything, tomorrow we will start with the EPS, enterprises project structure.
okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what I am,
Yes, sir. Yeah. Whether you have any
so can
query
I,
or any issues, sir?
I'll share my screen with you. I just wanted to check something.
Please, sir. Share.
You'll have to stop sharing your screen, please.
If I stop sharing means automatically it will cut, sir. Okay, I'll stop share.
You'll have to stop and then you'll have to give me the authority to share the screen. I don't know if it will post as disabled. You will have to enable my screen sharing.
Okay, sir. I'll check it.